Enemy in the Figure, which is choreographed by William Forsythe, who was really one of my mentors. And he was the director of the Frankfurt Ballet for many years. I danced with him for almost 10 years and then ended up setting his work. So when I became artistic director, it was important for me to bring his work because it had been such an influence for me and helped me transform artistically. And he was inspired by a poem about the lark ascending and how it really is a metaphor and similar for our hopes to fly beyond what we know. And he's really inspired by the composition of Ralph Vaughan Williams. It was the first piece that I created for Ailey II, which is really exciting, my inaugural year as artistic director, and I felt it was very important to share my new vision of the company. We were also coming out of the pandemic, and so I thought, how do I, and as a metaphor, or symbolize hope and us kind of coming out of this time, the darkness, which is really what we experienced emotionally during that time. My first time in the theater, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful, wide, vast, beautiful stage, but also has the intimacy, which we really loved. You know, such a variety of dancing, such a wide array, from the classical to the really contemporary to the modern to the, which is really very much kind of in alignment with who we are, and this wide variety of offerings, really beautiful.